I will talk about how can you enable Alexa calendar on your Amazon Alexa app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on more down here. When just click on more, it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on settings. Then you come to settings list here. Then all you have to do, just click here on notifications. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Then you click here on calendar here. When you just click on calendar, it's going to take you to this list here. Then you click here on calendar notifications, just click on it. Then you come here to Alexa calendar, just click in this sign. So when you just click on it, so here I have no device here if you live, but if you have it, you just click on Alexa calendar, then it's going to enable with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.